Some of you use only body lotions, while some of you use only body oils. Well, if you're one of those category of people where you're missing out on a whole lot, yes, you're missing out on a whole lot. Do you know that you can actually use both in the same skincare routine? Do you know that? And that would actually take your skin from looking all dull to looking like this. Yes, your skin will end up looking like this. But guys, let me tell you, I know some of you might have actually heard about using body lotions and body oils in the same skincare routine, but I know some of you don't know how to use it, while some of you are confused on how to go about it. Well, I'm going to be telling you guys how to use it in today's video. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys amazing body lotions and body oil combos for different skin care purposes. All will be answered in this video, okay? Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. Yeah guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about body lotions and body oil combo. I know some of you have heard about this maybe before in the past, but you don't know how to use it. Well, some of you have not. Well, yes, if you're new on this, well, you can actually use your body lotions and body oil in the same in fact in the same skincare routine, okay? So, but guys, before we start this whole video about body lotions and body oils, how to use them in the same skincare routine, first of all, I'd like to make you guys understand why body lotions and body oils are important in a skincare routine. Now, the reason why body lotions are important in a skincare routine is because body lotions will help to bring back the water that was lost in your skin, maybe due to when you showered or when you had your bath. So it will bring back that water that you lost into your skin, while body oils will help to lock in that moisture, so you help to lock in that hydration into your skin and leave you hydrated for a very, very, very long time. Okay, so that is why the both of them are very important in skincare routines. And how I'll be doing it in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the perfect combo for different skin purposes, either for uneven skin tone. If you're trying to even out your skin tone, yes, I'm going to be giving you guys combos for it. I'm also going to be giving you guys combos for people who want to just soften and glow their skin. Yes, I'm also going to be giving you guys combo for people who just want to repair their skin. Maybe you're suffering from issues like scars, you have stretch marks, you have textured skin. Yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys the perfect combo for that one as well. Okay, I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to make good use of it, how you will use it, and you'll get the best result from using the combos. So the first category are for people who have dry and normal skin. So if you have dry or normal skin, you want to even out your skin tone, well, a perfect body lotion that you should try out is the Topicream Mela body lotion. And then the body oil that you should go alongside with the body lotion is the Aveno moisturizing body oil. Guys, this combo is amazing. So if you have an uneven skin tone and you're confused on what to use, guys, this body lotion and body oil combo will do the job for you. Using them together is going to help your skin glow. Like, your skin will literally glow, and all those dark spots, all those hyperpigmentation that you have would all fade away. So you're going to start seeing changes in your skin tone, or your skin tone is going to be more even and finer. If you have dry skin and you're looking out to fade scars, stretch marks, and also take care of your dry or your textured skin, which is your bumpy skin, well, for that you can actually make use of the Amlactin body lotion. Yes guys, this Amlactin body lotion is amazing. In fact, it is an amazing body lotion, but it's best to be used at night. Okay, only at night, because maybe you can use it 3 times or 2 times in a week, but only at night. Okay guys, this body lotion will help to reduce the appearance of your scars, your stretch marks. Also, it helps to get rid of your dry bumpy skin. If you have chicken skin, it's also going to help you a whole lot. Okay, now when you use this body lotion alongside the Neutrogena body oil, guys, your skin You see those your scars, those stretch marks, guys, they will all fade away. They will all fade away. In fact, the appearance is going to be totally and completely reduced. So guys, you need to give this particular body lotion and body oil combo a chance. If you just want to soften or glow your skin, okay, you just want to soften or glow your skin. For the dry skin people that just want to soften or glow their skin, you're not looking out to fade any dark spots or hyperpigmentation, you don't have stretch marks or scars, just want your skin to glow, just want people to see how your skin, just want people to see your skin glow and get soft as well, then you can go in for the EOS body lotion or the E45 body lotion. These are amazing body lotions that you can actually use, and you can now pair them with the Vaseline Radiant oil gel or gel oil. Yeah, I think it's called an oil gel oil rather, body gel oil. You can pair it alongside with it. This particular gel oil comes in different variants. They have this one, I think they have the carrot one, they have a lot of variants. Just find the one that is perfect for your skin, guys. This one is amazing. Okay, you can just mix, just use it alongside this particular body oil and your skin will glow and your skin is going to be super soft. Okay, you can also try using the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Intensive Care body lotion. That one is also another good option, and you can also pair it alongside with this particular Vaseline body gel oil. So now the next category are for people who have oily skin. So if you have oily skin and you want to even out your skin tone, guys, the perfect combo for you is for you to use the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion, or the Medex 5.5 body lotion, or the Ole Vitamin C body lotion. Yes, the Medex 5.5 Vitamin C body lotion or the Ole Vitamin C body lotion, using it alongside bio oil or the Vaseline or Desire body gel oil. Either you use it alongside your bio oil or this particular body oil or this Desire. In fact, Desire has something like this. Okay, also has a body gel oil, so you can actually use it alongside with it, guys. It's going to make your skin, it's going to even out your skin tone completely. Like, your skin tone is going to be evened out. Now, if you're looking out to repair your skin and you have an oily skin, you can go in for the Alpha Renewal body lotion or the Amlactin body lotion and use it alongside the Neutrogena body oil. Guys, you see the Neutrogena body oil here, it contains sesame oil, and sesame oil helps to fade out scars and stretch marks. That's what it does, it fades out scars and stretch marks. So if you use it alongside it, guys, it's going to help your skin, you're going to fade all those, going to repair your skin, going to reduce the appearance of your scars and your stretch marks over time. Okay, and guys, the Alpha Renewal body lotion and the Amlactin body lotion, they are exfoliating body lotions. That means that you only use them 3 times in a week, and you use them only at night. Okay, use them only at night, not anything aside nights. Okay, because the Alpha Renewal body lotion contains glycolic acid, which doesn't go well with the sun, and the Amlactin body lotion contains lactic acid, which equally doesn't go well with the sun. So they are exfoliating body lotions which should only be used at night time. Okay, so if you want to just soften and glow your skin, if you have an oily skin and just want to soften and glow your skin, or you can use this my combo here. Yeah, this is my combo, you can try it out. This is my face fat vitamin C body lotion and this body gel oil by Vaseline. You can actually use it, guys. It's going to help to soften and glow your skin. Like, your skin is going to be super soft. Or if you don't want to use this, you can actually go in for the Dr. Teal's vitamin C body lotion, or any of the Dr. Teal's body lotion and the Dr. Teal's shea butter and almond oil. You can actually make use of it, guys. It's going to help your skin stay soft and glow. It's going to help to glow your skin and also help to soften out your skin a whole lot. Now, the last but not the least are for people who have sensitive skin. You see, the sensitive skin people, you know, you have to be very careful when choosing body body care products. Okay, you have to be very careful when choosing skincare products. So if you want to even out your skin tone, you have a sensitive skin and you have uneven skin tone and you want to even out your skin tone, we should go in for the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. In fact, it's an amazing body lotion, and then pairing it with the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Oil is also an amazing choice that you yourself will love a whole lot. Like, that body oil is amazing, and the body lotion, using it together, is going to even out your skin tone, and it is not harmful for your skin. In fact, it is specifically made for people with sensitive skin. So it's an amazing combo for you guys if you want to even out your skin tone. If you want to repair your skin and you're looking out for how to repair your skin, well, you can try the Amlactin body lotion, but make sure that you perform a skin patch test first before making use of it. The Amlactin body lotion, then you use it only at night and use it maybe 2 times a week at night. Okay, then you can pair it alongside the Aveeno Moisturizing Daily Body Oil as well. Guys, it's an amazing combo that is going to help to going to help you repair your skin and help you get rid of all those scars and stretch marks that you have. It's going to help to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks that you currently have on your skin. So if you're looking out to just soften or glow your skin and you have a sensitive skin, then you can actually go in for the EOS body lotion or the E45 body lotion, or as well the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. You can actually use any of the 3 body lotions, then you pair it with the Aveeno Moisturizing Daily Body Oil. This is a perfect combo for your skin. Okay guys, that is it for the whole recommendations for skin types and body oils and body lotions for different skin types and different skin concerns. Okay, now how can you actually make use of this to get the best result out of it? But before I get there, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, if you're watching me up to now and you've not subscribed yet to my channel, guys, just want to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments. Okay, now how can you actually make use of this body lotion and body oil combo to get the best result out of it? Well, what you should do is, one thing that you should never do is taking your body oil and pouring it inside your body lotion. Don't you ever try it. Like, don't even try it. Don't ever take this body oil and now pour it inside your body lotion. Guys, you're going to be damaging the formulation of your body lotion and your body oil. Like, it's going to become very ineffective that you will not even be able to even see any results using the two together. So if you've been doing that, you are wrong. You need to stop doing it. Okay, so the best way to do it is you take your body lotion, you put it in your palm like so. You put it in your palm, then you rub it. You put it in your palm like so. You guys can see me. Then rub it on your skin. Rub it in your skin. Rub it into your skin. Okay, you rub it. Can you guys see what I'm doing? You rub it. After rubbing it, you leave it for a while. Allow it to settle into your skin for a while. Maybe you can leave it for like a minute or so. Just allow it to settle for a while. Then you take your body oil. Take it. Okay, then you rub it on top of it. One thing you should never do is to pour your body oil inside your body lotion. Please, no one is going to teach you that on this internet, so please don't do that. That is very, very wrong. Okay, if you've been doing it, you need to stop it. Now with this way, you'll be able to get the perfect result of your body lotion and your body oil together. Okay, and your skin is also going to stay hydrated all day. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this video. Let me also know if you want to try any of these products I mentioned out, and also let me know your thoughts about this video, and if there's any other video you want me to make for you, let me also know that on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.